Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Strong Coffee Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you open up this can of Blackberry Hibiscus unsweet carbonated water and you pour it into this cup. And it's coming. Oh, just gotta wait for it until it percolates. That's what we're waiting for. This might take some time, folks, just so as you know. Oh yeah, now it's really coming for the strong coffee in this carafe. And then now you pour in this strong coffee, from the carafe, and here is your carbonated strong coffee Blackberry Hibiscus. Thank you for watching and have a great day, folks.